So we got the Mexican white queso. It is a homemade queso dip with a dollop of hot pepper relish.
Okay, so I'm going to try the hot pepper relish. Super hot. Woo! Oh, that needs the cheese to help. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like when you live on the farm and Grandma does canned peppers in the old mason jars. That's what that reminds me of. It's fantastic. I could eat a whole bowl of that.
Okay.
And this is the cheese dip, which is you can tell it's like a Blanca queso. Really good. Little plain. I can definitely see. I'm gonna do the double dip here. I can see that needs to be done. Oh my! Am I gonna make it? That is good. It's not Mexican because Mexican choking has more cilantro and more normal chili peppers and stuff like that, but it is really, really good. It's more like a traditional farmhouse cheese and salsa is what I would call it.
So I would not describe this cheese as a queso. I would describe it as just melted white cheese. It doesn't really have a Mexican flavor to it. So we're going to go ahead and mix this pepper relish into it to give it a little bit of kick.
Yeah.
Definitely better with the relish in it. The relish is really good.
I'm telling you, it's like something.
Ooh, it's got kick.
Yeah, it does. You
has
made
kick.
me eat it without.
Now with it in there, it does taste like a Mexican queso, I think.
Yeah.
It's just the relish is a little bit kind of like a pickled.
Yeah,
It has like a bite to it, like a vinegar bite, but I like that.
it tastes like something that you would eat on the farm when Mom was canning the peppers. I mean, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like a really good hot relish.
They're very generous with their portion, and that's a huge bowl.
Okay, so I ordered the burnt cheese fold over because, as I have complained about many times on film, I'm on the keto diet. What I really want to eat is a whole plate of French fries, but I'm not going to. So I ordered a side salad to go with my burnt cheese fold over, and it's actually really good. Good salad dressing. I don't know. I don't know if it's homemade or not, but it is really good.
What kind of salad dressing did you get? Oh, I asked you right as soon as you put it in your mouth. I think you got ranch, didn't you get ranch? Does it taste like homemade ranch? Or bottled ranch?
I'm not sure.
Sometimes bottled ranch is good too.
If it's bottled, it's really good.
Okay. Well, I got my husband a Kaluger burger to go. This has a bacon double patty. It's got their famous Kaluger sauce with it.
Look at the bun.
The bun looks delicious. Really good looking fair fries. And they have this red sauce. It's called Kaluger sauce. And it is a homemade ketchup with their own spice blend added to it. We got their Parmesan ranch wings, and we got them special ordered because you can have them double grilled after the sauce is on them. They throw them back on the grill and double grill them. Over here, Ann got
My cheese wrap.
this is her cheese flip.
Looks good. It looks like a heart attack. It looks good. And that's my bacon and chicken, and I think more cheese on the inside, maybe.
And it comes with a
Comes with a sauce. This is Southwestern Ranch. It's ranch and salsa. So I'm gonna try my burnt cheese wrap. I'm very excited about that.
I can hear the crunch.
Oh yeah. Like, I've experimented a lot. I haven't actually made this myself, so I'm very curious to see what this is going to be like. And I'm going to do it right. I'm going to dip it. Oh my goodness, get on there. It is so crunchy. So good. So crunchy.
It looks really good. to make the video more interesting, we decided to get the hot, as they're called, their triple hot sauce for the wings, just to try it. It's literally on the top of their scale here, and I will show you. This is their scale. We got the very top one, so we might pass out and die today. We're not quite sure yet.
Just smelling it made my eyes water. So
Yeah,
I'm a little bit trembly over
It's
this.
so strong that I thought it smelled like alcohol. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh, God. Yeah, look, I don't even... Why did I do this? Hold on.
Can you describe it to us?
My whole mouth.
I'm calling 911.
Oh my God. You don't have any ranch dressing left?
I do have the spicy ranch.
My whole mouth.
spicy ranch.
Let me look, I didn't even finish the french fry. I didn't even put the whole thing in my mouth. My mouth is on fire. Oh my God, that was a really dumb idea, but now you have to do it.
No, I don't want
If
to.
I suffer through it, you have to. Oh.
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have a little piece of my cheesy quesadilla, and I'm going to dip it in there. I'm so scared.
My tongue hurts. I'm gonna try to film with one hand and drink my iced tea with the other. It's so bad.
Okay. Keeps coming back. Like, you think, no, I got through that. And then it's like, no, wham, gonna hit you with wave number 2.
Yeah, mine's still lingering.
So I'm on like wave number 4 of heat. But I will say, I like the flavor. It's like a chipotle flavor.
Screw you. There's nothing enjoyable about that.
It's like a chipotle. And obviously the super hot, some kind of Tabasco from hell. But I would dip my little hunk of cheese in that. I like that.
Okay, then do it.
Well, I just did.
Again.
Scared.
Prove that you actually enjoyed that. Weirdo.
Mm-hmm. It's an instant burn. Hard to breathe.
Yeah.
And the eyes are watering.
Mine is still lingering.
Little tears. But now here's the thing. I like it as a dipping sauce, but I don't think I would like it on wings.
Really?
Yeah, I do like dipping my mild stuff. See wave number 2? Right there
Yeah.
it is. It comes in waves.
Well, here's the thing. What weirdo comes in here and orders that on a wing because you're going to be putting it all over your lips to take a bite of the wing?
Yeah.
Like, neither one of us put it on our lips. We
No,
just
and
put
that's
it
the
directly in our mouth.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think I could eat that on a wing.
Yeah.
Because I pop that right back in the back of my mouth.
Yeah, that's total
But
torture.
if I had to eat that on a wing, and then I have a little bit of chapped lips right now from being cold outside, I think that I literally would have to call 911. But I like it as a dip.
I just
mean,
burped.
Oh, you know what?
I literally just burped. And I'm not even drinking soda. I'm drinking iced tea. So that is how hot it is.
Okay. The secret flavor, I finally kind of figured it out. I think it's sriracha. And
Okay.
I eat a lot.
I do like sriracha.
I eat a lot of sriracha. And I think that might be sriracha with some chipotle spicing.
And some devil peppers.
And then the hot sauce.
Ghost pepper, maybe.
Ghost, oh God. It's not scorpion.
Why are you wiping your nose?
Oh no. Floodgates.
All right, so this is my favorite portion of the. A lot of people like the drumsticks, but I like these little. What do you call these? The little wing dings.
Winglets.
I don't know.
I don't know.
But you can see the
Making
grill
that
marks
up.
on there too. We forgot to stick to our game plan of trying that hot stuff at the end because now my tongue is just on fire. Oh, I forgot what I ordered. I thought it was Parmesan, but it's actually ranch.
Oh, I thought you ordered the garlic parmesan.
I think it's called Parmesan ranch.
Oh, okay. Okay. They look good though. I'm gonna go down here and film them real quick. Oh, nice.
Really nicely cooked.
Yeah.
It has just a little bit of crunch on the outside. I like the grill. That's a strange flavor. I would never order. I always order buffalo.
Yeah, I never change.
But me neither. But this is actually very good.
I'm gonna try the little drumstick, only because you don't like them. Oh, that one's huge. Actually, they're really, really big wings.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find a little one, and there is no little one. All right, so I'm gonna try this one. Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Smells good.
They're very mild, by the way. This is like the very bottom of their heat scale.
Totally mild.
My favorite combination is buffalo and blue cheese. So this is outside my comfort zone, but I will tell you it's very tasty.
So creamy.
Mm-hmm.
That sauce. Sorry. That sauce is so creamy. And it has nice little herbs in it. Okay, I'm taking it to the next level, guys. Are you ready?
Oh, God, you're putting that
No, I'm going to
double
do it.
sauce on
I'm
it?
doing it. Call 911 right now.
No, God, that's a lot.
Is it too much? Okay. No.
Oh, God, it just spread.
I'm going in.
Oh, God.
Going in deep. Oh, wow.
Jeez.
It hurts so bad.
It hurts so bad. It hurts so good, apparently.
Right out the nose. You get the, that's wave 2. So the only way that I can compare this would be to like the atomic bomb. The bomb hits and explodes, and then the cloud builds, and then it blows out, and that's that. That is what that is. So I would change that name to the atomic cloud.
The atomic cloud. I like it. We're changing the names on everything on the menu here.
Sometimes you got to redress things.
Oh, and by the way, I apologize for the music in the background and the it's very dark in here, but it is what it is. This place, I will tell you, it's very nice in here. It's very open, and these booths are so comfortable.
Very comfy.
Yeah, and the waitress is amazing. She's super
wonderful.
sweet.
Wonderful. She recommended everything that we had.
Yep.
She knew we were sissies, and she did tell us. She said,
Yeah.
it's going to hurt. It's going to be more than you can bear.
Yes.
We still did it.
She was very knowledgeable.
Look, I got to wipe my forehead. I'm going to take a nap.
So, what do you think of this place? Would you come here again?
I would totally come here. My portion is way too big, so I would have to share that with someone.
Yeah.
I mean, they're generous in all their portions.
Yeah.
But I would totally order that again. And your burger looks good.
The burger was amazing. I would come back here and bring my husband for the burger.
Yeah.
He's lucky I love him, or I'd be eating some more of that.
Yeah. And the wings are good.
Yeah, the iced tea is very good too.
Very, very good. And the iced tea, I don't know, it might be red rose or something because it has a different flavor.
Yeah, it's very good.
Really, it's really good.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's a bar and a lot of people would come here and get a cold brewski for it.
Yeah,
But
we don't drink, so
I'm not a brewski person,
yeah.
but the tea, I can tell you, is very good.
It's very good. Yeah. So to make the video more interesting, we decided to get their triple hot To make the video more interesting, we decided. Why did I just say it like that?